Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Today I will review a very nice wireless CarPlay adapter from the Latonvia brand. This CarPlay wireless adapter converts wired CarPlay system to wireless without any hassles. You can enjoy all the features of CarPlay like navigation, music, Siri, phone calls and other functions with this adapter. All this without the hassle of physically connecting your iPhone to a cable wire every time you sit in the car. It's a simple plug-and-play device with very fast connection speed and no lag calling, buffering or any sort of disturbance. What you get inside the box is the user manual, a USB-A to USB-C converter in case your car has a Type-C port, and a compact wireless CarPlay adapter with a hardwired Type-A USB cable wire. Alright friends, so I'm in my car. I've got the adapter with me. Now I've also connected the Type-C converter because my car has the Type-C USB plug. So now I'll connect this with the system of the car. Alright, so I've connected it. It takes around 5 to 10 seconds, as you can see, for the device to start and get to this page. This is the main connections page, and the next step for me is actually go to my iPhone, and on the iPhone go to the Bluetooth section and then look for this device smart dongle, this one. We click on this, pair the device, allow it to sync contacts and favorites, and then use CarPlay. That's it. It takes a few seconds to connect. Again, now this is one of the quickest CarPlay devices I've tested. It doesn't take a lot of time. As soon as you connect on your iPhone, it takes a few seconds to take you to the home page of Apple CarPlay. Now keep in mind that this is a one-time connection process. You don't need to reconnect every time you come in your car. As long as the Bluetooth on your iPhone is on, the device will automatically detect the connection and then connect it back to the Apple CarPlay system. And so this is the main Apple CarPlay. You get actually the split screen view. This is a split screen view, and let me switch on the location on my mobile so we actually can see the map appear. And the other thing I wanted to test, there you go. So this is the map. This is the main landing page. You've got a split screen. You've got some of the shortcut icons. This is all app view. This is a navigation. Then you've got the home, media and the calendar. And if you click on this button, it will take you to the full app view of all the different applications that are available on the CarPlay system. Now another thing to keep in mind is that on the CarPlay user interface or the platform, not all applications that you are installed on your iPhone are compatible. So things like YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, anything to do with videos or images, those apps would not appear on the CarPlay system. So keep that in mind, because that's for safety reasons. Though you can still see WhatsApp, but WhatsApp would allow you to read messages and send messages through the voice command, but it would not allow you to actually see any messages or any images. Now the other nice thing with this is that you've got navigation. So I've got a few different navigation applications available. You can select any navigation app that you want. I've got the Yango map running on this, but you can select the built-in maps on Apple, or you can actually go to Waze, which I've also downloaded on my iPhone. And the good thing is all these apps are very quick to load. If you've noticed, as soon as you click on any of those apps, it comes up very quickly, and the screen is very nice and responsive as well. So I won't explain all the functions and features. This is a standard Apple CarPlay system. You can actually use Siri to operate this device. You don't really actually have to connect or click on the screen all the time. So you can do things like, hey Siri, play some music.
Here's Avisham by Session Shang on Spotify.
Now the good thing is, because this device is connected to my car and the system, I can use the steering wheel control to operate this device. So we're playing music through Spotify. Let's stop it. Don't want to get a copyright hit. So that's music. We can also use Siri for navigation. Hey Siri, take me to Dubai Mall.
One option I found is Dubai Mall on Financial Center Road Upper Level.
There you go. So, it's very nice. The best thing about this device, this has all the standard CarPlay functions. All this device does is replaces the cable wire to the wireless connectivity. So if you use Apple CarPlay in your car, then you would be familiar with all the different functions and features of the CarPlay system. All this device is doing is replacing the wire with the wireless connectivity. So that's it, guys. You get all these different functions and features of Apple CarPlay. It's very quick to connect. That's a really, really nice thing. I've tested quite a few of these devices on my channel, and I can tell you this device is very, very quick to connect. The last thing I would like to test on this device is whether this device can reconnect when we switch on the car. So what I'll do is I'll actually remove the device and then put it back in to see whether the device can reconnect to my mobile and take us to the Apple CarPlay system automatically. Alright, so I've reconnected the device. It should be very quick to connect. There you go. So in a few seconds it starts connecting, and then it gets to this connection page, and now to the Apple CarPlay directly without connecting or clicking on any button. This automatically reconnection is very, very important, because if you don't have this and you have to do the connection every time you sit in the car, then it just defeats the purpose of having a wireless adapter. So that's it, friends. This was a very quick review of this Revolutionize wireless Apple CarPlay adapter. It's a very nice device. One thing I love about this device is the connection speed. It's very, very quick to connect, and it actually automatically reconnects to the Apple CarPlay system as soon as you sit in the car. So guys, if you like this, if you want to buy this, simply go to the link in the description of the video. It will take you directly to the official store where you can buy this very nice wireless CarPlay adapter. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.